Guys, let us start a discussion of this JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1 vectors 3D vectors problem. Now this question had a very unique way of representation of plane which I liked, so we'll discuss this thing. This thing S be the reflection of a point Q with respect to the plane given by this. So the most interesting part of this problem is the plane equation only. And we just see T and P are real parameters. I, J, K are unit vectors along for three positive coordinate axes. If the position vector of Q and R are this, and then the following. So the only thing you have to do in this problem is just to decode this equation of plane, then find image of a point in the plane. Now, see, this thing T and P are the real parameters. So I'll rewrite this thing as R vector equal to, I'll combine the T terms. So we'll see it'll be T of minus I cap plus J cap. And P terms will be P time minus I cap plus K cap plus K cap as it is, which I'll bring to the left side. So we get R vector minus K cap is equal to T time minus I cap plus J cap plus P time minus I cap plus K cap. Now, how do we see this thing? You might have come across this thing that a vector C in a plane of A vector and B vector we can write as C vector equal to XA plus YB. So if you compare that here, this becomes C vector. It is in the plane of vector A and vector B. And how do you see this C vector? You see C vector is formed by 2 points. R vector, you can just take our regular, just any general point in the plane, say P point. And K cap will be the point 0, 0, 1. Let us just name this as, say, some A point. Now, this is nothing but you can say AP vector. So, C vector is AP vector formed by 2 points in the plane. So, we have C vector equal to TA plus PB. That means this vector lies in the plane of A and B. So, we can say this is a plane which contains the point 0, 0, 1 and the vectors A vector minus I cap plus J cap and B vector minus I cap plus K cap. I hope this thing makes sense to all of you. And now after we have got this thing that we have to find the equation of plane which contains this point and these two vectors. So just find the normal vector by crossing A and B. You get I cap plus J cap plus K cap. A passing point is 0, 0, 1. So equation of plane will be X plus Y plus Z equal to 1. And after that, you just have to find the image of the point 10, 15, 20 in plane X plus Y plus Z equal to 1. I hope all of you know the shortcut here to find the image of point in plane. X minus 10 over 1 is equal to Y minus 15 over 1 is equal to Z minus 20 over 1 is equal to minus 2 times. Put this point in the plane, you get 44 divided by A square plus B square plus C square. The sum of square of their coefficients, which is 3. Upon simplifying, get X equal to minus 58 over 3, Y is equal to minus 43 over 3, Z is minus 28 over 3. These they are referring to as alpha, beta, gamma. And then you can check option A, B, C will be correct, D will not be correct.